In this video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your handwriting with 5 simple tips. So let's jump into it. And that is how you can improve your handwriting. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post more back to school videos. I plan on doing my back to school series for every Monday during the month of August, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, I really think you will like learning how to use this handwriting to make gorgeous, pretty notes. If you want to see that, all you have to do is watch my How to Take Pretty Notes for School video. Tap or click the screen to watch that. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.